Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer and restore WhatsApp chat from Google Drive in 2022. If you are purchasing new iPhone or new Android phone, you can transfer your all WhatsApp chat on Google Drive and then again restore very easily. So in this video, we will see how to do it and which software, which platform are providing such kind of facilities. So let's start. As a demonstration, before start the demonstration, simply please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Simply I open here new tab and just put it this particular link. I already put it this link in same video description, and boom, look at this here, UltFone transfer Mac. Currently I am accessing this website on my Mac. That point of view the link are showing here, but same you can do same process Windows operating system also. One click WhatsApp and WhatsApp business transfer, backup and restore. Direct transfer WhatsApp business between iOS and Android without factory setting. Transfer GB WhatsApp Android to Android and Android to iPhone from Mac. Download, restore, transfer. So many options are available here. One of the best software I saw ever. UltFone transfer link is available on video description. I just simply download here. Currently I am accessing in Mac, so DMG file is downloaded here, just only 92 MB, and here Windows file also available. You can download if you are accessing on Windows. It's very simple, all features are same. The most compressive WhatsApp and WhatsApp business transfer, backup and restore solution, so you can very easily transfer your all entire data on Google Drive on some other backup location. After finish the download, I just simply click twice and then simply drag and drop UltFone transfer, and the software are taking space 163 MB only. After finish the installation, we can see here in Launchpad the software is come here. Look at this, and then I click here. First of all, open here, yeah. Software is open here. Please select the special app. So how many apps are available here? 5. WhatsApp business, GB WhatsApp, KIK and Vibe. So now we'll see WhatsApp. So look at this. This is the framework of the software. Here first option come here, transfer. So last year I have in 13 Pro Max. If I connect here 13 Pro Max and new phone 14 Pro Max, I connect here, I can very easily transfer the data automatically one device to new device. And second option come here, backup. So I just simply connect here my phone. Look at this here, seeing iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I connect here and backup now. So I can spend time here around, depend upon my WhatsApp data, so need to take entire process like 100%. Backup WhatsApp data only, not another data, and don't disconnect during the backup your iPhone. It's mandatory to connect, so we can wait couple of minutes, I think so. And here my WhatsApp, so automatically all data are stored here, and then next time I can connect my new iPhone or Android iPhone and then transfer the data. So entire data as it is transfer on new device. It's very simple and unique software, UltFone. So almost are completed 100%, 94.5. We can wait again 1 minute. Depend upon how much chat you have in your WhatsApp. So like 100 numbers, 200 or 1000 numbers, or how many groups you have, accordingly you can spend here time. If you have many groups and many chat, so you can doing this process in night time. Just connect your mobile and on this backup process and then sleep. So early in the morning entire backup are taken your laptop. And look at this, 100% is done. Now WhatsApp sign up my mobile name here. 14 Pro Max has been backup successfully. it is possible to please share the with more people also. View backup. So here is my backup. I can see entire backup of WhatsApp. Next time I can connect new phone, no matter Android or iOS, and then transfer entire data. Look at this, the images are also come, so entire chat section also come, how many pictures I send them, how many pictures I receive. Such kind of all chats are receiving here. Look at this, export to computer also. I can export entire backup on my computer, export, restore iOS and restore to Android. This is one of the best platform I saw ever. Even the PDF also downloaded here. I send those PDF of my some of the friends and family members of important documents, so those are coming here. Images are coming here, some animation stickers are coming here, some videos are coming here. If you are sending some audio files, those audio files also available here, links, related informations and unknown files. So this is one of the best platform to get WhatsApp backup, WhatsApp business and WhatsApp. It's very simple. If you are facing some problem, you can comment me. I will definitely help you. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.